Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Hopefully you can hear me. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about failed attempts or failed vlogs that I attempted that I just did not finish. I'm multitasking. I was looking through some memory cards and I needed to empty them so then I could then continue to create these vlogs. I may just have to buy another memory card, but here's vlog failed attempt 1. Started December 21st and it ended December 21st. Next. Alright, so in this second video, I attempted to create a behind the scenes vlog of me creating the review video I made for the Fujifilm X100F. Right now I'm on the microphone that I'm using to record. On the camera I'm going to be using to record the voiceover talking head portion of the review video for the X100F. I guess I'm doing a vlog about making this video. And how I'm booming this is I'm taking the Rode Video Micro made in Australia and putting it on this arm here. I'm going to be booming it from the top of this camera just to get it a little more close to me. There we go. I have to change it a little bit. I should just use I'm thinking I should have just used the Rode, where did they go? Don't know. The wireless Go instead of using this, but I'm gonna just use this. I already got it set up. Funny thing though is that now I can see the microphone for this camera in the frame of this camera. And now it's out of frame. So me looking this way, recording here, so I got this camera, I got me off to the side, just so I'm in the third of the frame, and just knowing that I'm talking to this camera over here. So I'm just setting this up. I got the shot set up with this camera here right in front of me. I got this camera that I'm vlogging on right next to me. I just got done recording the talking head portion. Now I'm gonna do the direct voiceover. So it's gonna be the same, me sitting here in the same space in order for the audios to match and really get the ambiance of the room, plus the loud fan that's coming from this light to where the audio doesn't sound different as I switch back and forth from the talking clips from the B-roll to the talking head clips. So I'm going to keep the microphone here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna, I guess I would wanna keep it in the same place, but the microphone is here. So I'm gonna keep it in the same place and I'm just gonna read directly from the script again. So I just got done recording the voiceover clip that I'll be using and pulling from. I typically would do this in Logic Pro, record the voiceover with the microphone that's back there, the Rode Pod mic, but I'm just gonna use the microphone with the camera, and just to keep the audio, I guess you could say, make sure the audio is matched throughout the video, keep it in the same environment. And I'm going to work on the project in Milanote and try and solidify it. It's now a few hours later. I'm gonna work on the shot list now. I'm like all over the place right now, so it's kind of hard to keep track of where I am in the world right now. So I'm gonna look more through this and figure out what's a good approach to go with putting all this together. But before I do that, I could use a cup of coffee, but it's like 3 o'clock, so I'm just gonna do a tea. I'm gonna get a tea. Attempted to record this video because I wanted to start vlogging. It seems like I finished this vlog. I think I just forgotten to add an ending. I just may post this one as its own video. Who knows? Next, that was failed attempt number 2. Now failed attempt number 1. Now failed attempt number 3. Failed attempt number 3 is when I first started using the format that I use for these vlogs now. This video is a vlog. I will be sporadically posting these vlogs throughout this channel whenever I'm doing something that's outside of recording the videos for reviews. That's what this video is. And what I'll be doing in the next 30 minutes is leaving, going out to Aurora, Illinois for a photo shoot. Then I have another one on the south side, which is going to take up about all of my daylight for today. It's 12 degrees out here in Chicago. I really don't want to do this drive today. I am out here in Aurora, Illinois. Aurora, downtown Aurora. Definitely having problems pronouncing it, but I just got back home. I uploaded the photos for the last job. Oh, I am watching this show. I forget what it's called. Truth Be Told on Apple Plus. Good show. I do recommend it. And that's all I got for you today. In this video, it is the first time that I've ever recorded B-roll or getting footage of the places I am. So this was a first. This was, I guess you would call, the starter video for how I create vlogs now. Next. So this video is about getting views. And speaking of getting views, I've been getting a lot of views lately. And I'm shocked. I have a question. What do you do when you actually start getting views on YouTube? There is a winter advisory here in Chicago, and I have a shoot that I want to get down to before I actually, or before whatever's going on out there gets worse. Alright, So I am heading out to do this photo shoot. It's snowing out and I want to see if I can get any of it on the GoPro. So I'm actually rigging up the GoPro today in the car. Let's see how this goes. I posted this video and I posted the video on January 2nd and it's been getting a decent amount of views. When I say a decent amount, it has gotten the most views I've gotten on a video in the shortest amount of time. Honestly, I'm shocked. Just got done with the photo shoot. All right, so like I was mentioning earlier, getting views on my video has inspired me to want to make more videos. Not getting views has been discouraging. Getting views on this video has been encouraging. So my response to getting views on a video that I posted on YouTube is to make more videos. And those videos will be breakaway topics on each video that performs well, that I feel is performing well. I'm just gonna make some follow-up videos of that video that's performing well, and that seems like the video I made around the Fujifilm X-H1, which I will be working on over the next few weeks. So do keep a lookout for those. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. I want to thank you for following me out on this journey of going through old vlogs that I recorded that just did not get posted because I didn't think that they were good enough. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Stay awesome.